Howdy folks, me again, fresh back from my heart attack last Friday. So we're gonna do our first box opening since then. And we're still at Highway 4 and Highway 7, Cosmos, Minnesota. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow to Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Thanks a lot.
And eBay.
And eBay, and we have a new eBay store. So let's see what we got. These are from Cheryl at Hot Leathers. Skull face mask. These are all fill-ins. Stars and Stripes hat. Stars and Stripes face mask. These are some arm sleeves. We actually got a pair of them. They match them. Aaron Kahn, he ordered some of these. Or Kent.
Aaron.
So we got them, and then we got some of these for your bagger sides. Bars, and they're really nice. And what's cool about these, right and lefts with a water bottle, and then we have some more coming that are going to be the other side with just the toolbox and with the water bottle. And how that goes, some vest extenders, and the cool little stuff for the babies. This has actually been a surprisingly hot selling stuff. What do we got? Some bling headbands. Ooh. And some replacement belts. We had a run on belts last week too. Buffalo nickel and
Bling cross.
And some, bling crosses and stuff. But hey, with all that said, I'm at the intersection of Highway 4 and Highway 7, Cosmos, Minnesota. Like, subscribe, and follow on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and eBay. Thanks a lot, guys.